Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Croydon and looking forward to showing you around another one of our smallest J offices. This is the second one I've ever shown you. 1.3 metres deep and 2.3 wide. Works perfectly in this room, and I'll show you how the client set it up inside. So as you may have seen from the previous video of the project in Burgess Hill, we are offering this absolute, what we call really compact or tiny little office, but it really does work for a one-person office. So 1.3 metres deep. This is cement board to the sides and the rear. You could upgrade this to the MTX cladding. The client chose not to in this instance. Door and window on the front, and it does drive a sideways desk inside, which I'll show you in a minute, but all the things that you would imagine from us. It is under the 2.5 planning rule. This one's got the rubber roof, so there's no scrimping on quality of product that we've done on this building despite its size. Let me kind of come around here and hopefully you can see get a little bit more of it. So we've actually installed climate control afterwards. You can see that reflective glass. That's actually the client added another reflective film for privacy and reduction of heat. We can do that in-house. They've actually done it physically themselves. Got the lighting in there, electrics, internet, UPVC doors, windows, 10-year guarantee. As you're probably aware, no timber inside or outside, and you've got zero maintenance. A couple of really nice touches in this one. So like I say, that it gives about 1.2 metres inside. So a desk sideways on works very well. With a slightly small space we got here, it still works perfectly well. Not loads of room spare, I've got to say, but enough for the heater. Climate control went up there. That was actually an addition as a retrofit. And then this wall here really works well. This is actually like a pinboard, but it also deadens the sound a bit, as this is obviously it doesn't really have any soft furnishings in such a small building, so that's a really nice option as well. And with the desk going in there, yeah, perfectly fine. Lined, insulated, double glazed. You've got the light on the top there, the panel light, which I can just show you there, which really is effective. And so with the climate control all year round, heating and cooling. So there you go. So our most compact J office, if I come back here, we might just get the whole thing in again, which is 2.3 metres wide, 1.3 deep, giving you around about 1.2 by 2.2 inside. But it does really work as a one-person office, as I say, and you don't have to feel like that's a compromise of the use. This has got heating, cooling, electrics, internet, all year round use. I mean, a brilliant one-person office use. So there you go. If this is of interest, please do let me know. What's your thoughts on such a tiny space? Imagine this is old school. This is well, where are we? Like 7 by 4, just over 7.5 feet by 4. I mean, it's amazing. So yeah, hope this is of interest. Please like and share what we do. Comments down below, please. Thank you.